International Labor Organization, there is an estimated 2.5 million people in forced labor, including sexual exploitation at any given time. Last week on the show, we talked about human trafficking, but the big bad business of trafficking does not end there. Unfortunately, more concerning for me, or more cause for alarm, is what they call sexual trafficking, and that involves mostly women and even children. And this lady that we have on the show today, very inspiring. Her story, she has performed in 86 live performances of a play that talks about sexual trafficking. In one of those performances, she got a 3-minute standing ovation from the United Nations. She's almost single-handedly fighting sexual trafficking all over the world. Soki, hello and welcome to Kababayan LA. Congratulations, you know, you're very accomplished. You wrote this play and you acted in it, and there's a lot of copies of DVDs as well that's going around. You're calling it foul play.
Yes, actually, I'm speechless right now. I never thought that I would be in Kababayan LA to talk about this alarming global evil, which is called sex trafficking in women and children.
Yes. You know, let's talk about this. And what I like is your creativity na hinalintulad mo ang babae sa isang manok. Ano bang mga pagkakatulad nila?
Well, actually, sabihin ko muna ako ano yung kasaysayan ng play na to. I was in the University of the Philippines and I got invited to a women's conference at doon ko nadinig yung storya ng 3 kababaihan na traffic from Nigeria. Hindi ako nakatulog. Ang sakit-sakit ng puso ko. So what I did is I wrote this play in a night, in a jiffy. And I never thought that this play would go places and I would perform at the UN. And when I left the Philippines, I left behind 50,000 copies of the videos in 5 Filipino languages. Pag bumukang bibig ko, Waray, Ilocano, Cebuano, Ilonggo, as a preventive tool to warn our kababayans not to go abroad without better informed choices and decision about sex trafficking in women and children.
And why not? You know what? I saw this play. It's just a 30-minute play. I saw it on video. Very, very powerful, Soki. Great, great acting. But more than that, ang galing ng dialogue, ang galing ng script, ng screenplay. So, going back to my question earlier, hinalintulad mo ang babae sa isang manok, and it makes a lot of sense. In fact, hinalintulad mo ang babae sa isang lechon manok. Ano bang pagkakatulad?
Ang pagkakatulad kasi nito, katulad nung sinabi dun sa play na lumalaki ang industriya ng pagbebenta ng manok.
Okay.
Lumalaki din ang industriya ng pagbebenta ng babae. Okay. At hindi lang babae, pati mga batang babae at lalaki. Dahil sa nangyayaring sex tourism.
And you're right na ang pagkakriteria sa pagkikilatis ng manok tinitignan ang dibdib, chicken breast, okay? And tinitingnan ang dibdib, busom ng mga babae.
Hinati-hati yung parte ng manok, ganun din yung hinati-hati yung parte ng isang tao o isang human being para ibenta sa sex industry.
Okay. And in this play, you also have videos and testimonials from survivors of trafficking. Ano bang kadalasang nangyayari? Naloloko sila ng recruiters, correct?
Karamihan sa mga biktima ng sex trafficking ay yung mga kababaihan na naghangad na magtrabaho sa abroad.
To help their families.
Meron tinatawag na international global trafficking. Meron ding local trafficking. Maraming mga kababayan natin nata-traffic from the provinces to Manila. Marami din naman mula sa iba't ibang probinsya sa global market. Kasi it's a 30 billion industry. At kasama na ang pornography, prostitution.
So, ikaw na nagsabi, $30 billion industry, malaking pera.
Malaking
pera. At kaya naman, pati mga politiko natin, which we talked about also when we talked about human trafficking, pati sila involved dito. So, kumbaga, napakahirap sugpuin at pahintuin itong industriya na ito.
Kaya ngayon mismo yung title ng play ko sex trafficking were so syndicated, ma'am. Talagang para ipakita sa ating mga kababayan at sa buong mundo na ito ay isang sindikato. Malaki ang pera at protektado.
Okay. So now, and because this is alarming, the numbers are alarming, and like I said...
Hindi lang yan, Janelle. Second ito sa drug trafficking.
Alright. Okay. We're gonna be talking a little bit more about this when we return. And most especially, Soki, please educate us. Ano bang pwede naming magawa? We're gonna be talking about that when we return on the show. Don't go away.